Keeping the kitchen clean and organized can be challenging, especially in small spaces. This kitchen organizer is designed to help you manage your kitchen items in a simple and practical way. When kitchen items are scattered, cooking becomes stressful and time-consuming. This organizer helps keep everything in one place, making your daily kitchen routine easier. You can use it to store spice jars, bottles, containers, and frequently used kitchen tools. Everything stays visible and easy to reach whenever you need it. The compact and space-saving design makes it suitable for countertops, cabinets, or shelves. It fits well even in small kitchens and apartments. This kitchen organizer is made from durable materials that are built for everyday use. It is easy to clean and maintain, which is important for kitchen hygiene. Using an organizer like this helps reduce clutter and keeps your kitchen looking neat and tidy. It also saves time by helping you find items quickly. This organizer is useful for families, small homes, rental apartments, and anyone who wants a well-organized kitchen. If you enjoy a clean and organized cooking space, this type of kitchen organizer can be a practical addition to your kitchen setup. Organizing your kitchen does not need to be complicated. Simple tools like this organizer can make everyday life more comfortable.